Welcome back to Learn PHP on Code Academy. We're in the ordered arrays section. This is our review. We covered a lot in this lesson. Great job. Take a second to review everything you learned. Arrays are ordered collections of data that are a type of data structure fundamental to computer science. In PHP, we refer to this data structure as ordered arrays. The location of an element in an array is known as its index. The elements in an ordered array are arranged in ascending numerical order starting with index 0. We can construct ordered arrays with a built-in PHP function, array. We can construct ordered arrays with short array syntax. Example, opening and closing square bracket. We can print arrays using the built-in printr function or by converting them into strings using the implode function. We use square brackets to access elements in an array by their index. We can add elements to the end of an array by appending square brackets to an array variable name and assigning the value with the assignment operator. We can change elements in an array using array indexing and the assignment operator. The array pop function removes the last element of an array. The array push function adds elements to the end of an array. The array shift function removes the first element of an array. The array unshift function adds elements to the beginning of the array. And we can use chain square brackets to access and change elements within a nested array. Instructions say we provide some example code for each of the core concepts covered in this lesson. Feel free to play around with the code and practice or experiment. Let's zoom out and click run. And we do see many of the concepts we covered in the previous lessons here on our terminal. We see prime numbers is created as this array here that contains some prime numbers. We have animals that contains an array of animals. We print our prime numbers, which we get here. We echo a new line. We echo implode animals, which gives us our animals. We see adding an element with square brackets, which adds a new prime number to our array. We're able to access array elements as we did here. Favorite animal is assigned animals index 0. We're then able to use favorite animal, which has dog in it now. We are able to reassign elements. So animals index 1 will be reassigned tiger. And then we're able to echo that using array pop. So this is before pop, dog, tiger, turtle, cow. After pop, we see cows no longer there. We see the using array push, we're able to push prime numbers. With shift, we're able to remove dog from the beginning of our array. Unshift, we're able to add elements to the beginning of our animals array. And then we have our nested array example. So these are all concepts that are fundamental in learning arrays. Make sure to practice them and go over the different examples and make sure you really understand what's happening before moving on. Once you feel comfortable, I'll see you in the next lesson.